Let's draw a person. We're going to start with a head. We want our head to be a bit near the top of the paper. If we start down too far, we won't have room for the body. We'll start at the top, make a magic C, keep going all the way around, and close it to make a circle for the head. Here's our circle. Next, what does a person need besides a head? Well, on their head, they need 2 eyes. The cat's here and wants to help with our drawing. Maybe we'll add a cat to our drawing. A nose. We need a nose for our person. And a mouth. I made a nice curve for my mouth so it looks like my person is smiling. You could also, instead of making your nose a dot, you can make a little circle, triangle, square, whatever shape you want, just a small shape in the middle of the face. Next, we want ears. We're going to put the ears on the sides of the head. We don't want them at the top or the bottom. We don't really want them in the middle of the face, covering their eyes, nose, or mouth. So we're going to put our ears on the side of the head, curved and attached, just like that. Different people draw people differently. Some people include the neck that attaches the head to the body. Not everyone draws the neck. I think for today, I am going to draw a neck. I'm going to make 2 little lines to the sides of the neck. Next, I'm going to add the body. I'm going to make my body kind of like an oval shape. You can make yours a rectangle. Could be a square. My oval also is mostly rectangular. The sides are pretty straight, more than curved, but I do have curved corners. So it's not quite a full rectangle with pointy corners. Next, we want to add arms. We need 2 arms that we're going to add to the sides of the body. We want to make sure that we put the arms up here near where the shoulder is, because if we put them down here, that doesn't look like an arm. That one looks like a leg. We will need legs, but right now let's add arms. There's 1 arm. I'm going to come up to the shoulder, the top of the body on this side. I'm going to add another arm. This one I'm going to give an elbow. I'm going to bend the arm at the elbow. Here's my elbow. Now I gave this guy an elbow, so he's got it bent. Next, you can draw a circle for the hand. Maybe they've got their hand in a fist like this. Or you could draw little lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. I drew 5 little lines for this hand. This hand is spread out with all 5 fingers splayed wide like this. So we've got our head, 2 eyes, 1 nose, 1 mouth, 2 ears, 1 neck, 1 body, 2 arms, 2 hands. What else do we need? We've got those fingers showing on one of the hands. The other one, they've got a fist. We need legs. We drew one of our legs down here at the bottom. We need a second leg because we have 2 legs to stand. At the bottom of our legs, we'll add feet. You could do a line or maybe a little oval. And there's our person.